We've done a study over the past 6 months to ensure that savers are getting value for money across the market. We have identified some complexities in the product. We've also identified some complexity in the way that decisions are taken in the market, which may mean that not all savers are getting value for money. We've identified in particular £30 billion worth of assets in pre-2001 schemes, so old schemes and high charging schemes that may be at risk of poor value for money. But we've taken immediate steps to address that with the industry. They're going to undertake an immediate audit of pensions prior to 2001, as well as pensions that have high charging structures. We are going to oversee that process with an independent panel. And that panel will have the powers to take recommendations to ensure that savers in those schemes are going to get value for money in the future. Some charges on schemes are not comparable across the market. So we want to have greater consistency and comparability so that if a person is looking at a charge on a pension and comparing it with another pension product, they can be sure that they're comparing the same thing. We think that's important for competition. Clearly some savers won't do that, but there are many people on their behalf that scrutinise the pensions, and they need to be confident that they're comparing like for like in terms of charges. We think our recommendations are a significant step, a very strong step in terms of addressing the risks that we see in the market. We want industry, government and regulators to take forward these recommendations as quickly as possible, swiftly, and achieve results within the next year. So we are calling for immediate action on this. We are encouraged by the industry, we're encouraged by the government and the regulators want to take action swiftly, and we want to see it in place as soon as possible.